For the next mobility group for the hip, what we're going to do is we're going to work 90-90. This time we're going to attack the internal rotation of the hip. That's going to be Reggie's trail leg, so our left leg here. So what she's going to do is she's going to totally turn her chest back behind her so that her chest is now over the left leg. You can see Reggie's pretty mobile, so she's able to just rotate and get to that position. For most people, and what I'm going to have Reggie demonstrate here, she's going to fully turn to the left. Just put your hands back behind you, and this is going to be where most people are going to want to hang out. What we want to do is feel a stretch kind of in this back side of the hip. This is going to feel like a really deep stretch in this trail hip here, okay? So again, we're working internal rotation. Best thing to do, especially if you did the self-assessment and you didn't have a ton of range of motion in internal rotation, is just hang out in this stretch. We want to just breathe here, get comfortable in this position. And then once we sit in the stretch for 60, 90 seconds passively, we want to add an active component to it. So a lot like the external rotation, what Reggie's going to do, she's just going to take this foot here. She's going to think about driving that foot down to the ground. Immediately she should feel her hip turn on, that stretch tissue turn on. And she's just going to hold for 30 seconds, just adding an active component, just sending some information to the hip, just getting it to calm down and open up just a little bit more.